In the cold darkness of space, over 14 billion miles away, NASA's Voyager 1, launched back in 1977, has just detected something mysterious. Scientists say the spacecraft picked up a strange, constant hum coming from interstellar space. It's not music, it's not a signal we fully understand, just an eerie vibration echoing through the void. Some believe this is the natural sound of plasma waves between the stars, but others wonder, could it be something more? Like, what if there's a civilization out there beyond our understanding that is making this sound? Or maybe it's the remnants of a long-lost civilization that lived near a black hole and was ripped apart by its gravity. Voyager keeps sending back these whispers from the edge of our solar system, and each signal reminds us how little we truly know about the universe. If you like optimistic science and tech stories, stay tuned for more.